Hello, welcome to my industrial training APT4098 presentation. My name is AMALINA FILDZAH binti ISMAIL and my matric number is A21A2698. I am currently undergoing industrial training at Jabil Circuit Sdn Bhd in Penang, Malaysia within the Human Resource Department, specifically in the Confidential and Benefit CMB division. Here are the background of the company. Alright, the name of the company is Jabil Circuit Sdn Bhd with the tagline Make Possible, Make Better. Next, Jabil ideation journey. In 1966, two engineers, William Moran and James Golden, set up a small workshop in Detroit, Michigan, assembling circuit boards. Their company, Jabil, grew steadily, providing high-quality electronics to industry in need. By the 1980s and 1990s, Jabil expanded into automotive, healthcare, and consumer tech, earning a reputation as a reliable manufacturing partner. As demand social, the company spread its wings globally, opening factories across Asia, Europe, and Latin America in 2000. Today, Jabil stands as a Fortune 150 giant, powering industry with engineering, design, and supply chain solutions in 30+ countries, from a small workshop to global force. Jabil's journey is one of mission, growth, and innovation. Let's now get acquainted with Jabil's current CEO, Mr. Michael Dexter. Michael Dexter was officially appointed as CEO of Jabil in May 2024. He previously served as the company's Chief Financial Officer and brings over 24 years of experience within Jabil to his leadership role. Known for his deep understanding of the business and strong commitment to Jabil's culture, Mr. Dexter is leading the company into a new era of innovation and growth, especially in areas like AI infrastructure and advanced manufacturing. Jabil supports innovation and production in a variety of global industries, including capital equipment, automotive electronics, commercial truck and bus, drone, healthcare, technique, printing, retail, telecommunication, and few more. For Jabil, dynamic business environment is the most suitable. Jabil operates in a world of constant change, dealing with new technologies, global supply chain shift, and evolving customer needs. It's not just about moving fast. Jabil must also adapt strategically to market fluctuation, economic trends, and sustainability requirements. While Jabil does operate in a fast-moving industry, the broader concept of a dynamic business environment better captures the mix of challenges and opportunities it faces. 6 departments in Jabil, which are human resource, finance, information technology, investor relations and communication, legal, and the last one is supply chain and management. And as I mentioned earlier, the department I involved is human resource, specifically in confidential and benefit division. Jabil operating activities revolve around manufacturing, engineering, and supply chain solutions for various industries. First, Electronic Manufacturing Service (EMS). Jabil produces circuit boards, electronic components, and devices for industries like automotive, healthcare, and consumer electronics. And Diversified Manufacturing Service (DMS). This includes customized product design, prototyping, and advanced manufacturing for specialized markets such as medical, device, packaging, and industrial automation. Third one is supply chain and logistics. Jabil manages global supply chains, ensuring efficient sourcing, production, and distribution to products across 30+ countries. And the last one is sustainability and innovation. The company integrates eco-friendly practice, automation, and AI-driven analytics to improve efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Overall, Jabil's operations are designed to optimize production, reduce costs, and drive innovation for its clients worldwide. As an HR compensation and benefit intern at Jabil, I gain exposure to various aspects. First, benefit administration. So, what is benefit administration? Basically, benefit administration is a system that helps employees enroll in benefit programs such as Motor Vehicle Interest Subsidy Scheme (MVISS), MVIS, EHR. I was responsible for overseeing the cancellation of benefit under the Motor Vehicle Subsidy Scheme for employees who had resigned. This task required careful attention to ensure accurate processing and proper record keeping. Besides, I do approve for motor vehicle claim. Jabil offer her employee vehicle interest subsidy scheme. So they might claim few percent as agreement from Jabil for every quarter in a year. Second example is Employee Stock Purchase Plan, ESPP. ESPP is the benefit that help employees invest in the company while potentially growing their financial portfolio. So what I do is make an application form assisted by the senior staff. The exposure that I get is I know what ESPP is. I know the compulsory document that we should prepare for joining ESPP, and I exposed to company investment. The third one is Employee Provident Fund, EPF. What I do is I check EPF number for new hire employee by browsing the iMajikan KWSP website. Second is data management, which is I need to maintain employee records. How? Me as intern only allowed to access employee family member data and EPF in SAP by keying the data in HR master data. For EPF, I already explained just now. Meanwhile, for family members, I must key in all the information at employee application form into the system, which is SAP. At the same time, I must identify if there are any mistakes. After all data was complete, I sign the employee file and move to the other file. Sometimes, my job is to check the offer letter and the data from HR recruitment to see whether they are the same or not. If all is no wrong, I sign and give them back to continue to the next procedure. What I was exposed to is HR hands-on experience such as handling data management, cross-platform data handling and document verification. Next is policy and compliance, which is I support the review of compensation policies and ensuring adherence to labor law. Then employee engagement by assisting employee queries. For example, I give briefing for direct labor or operator few times during internship. Also, I support HR service by coordinating global surveys and ensuring employees complete them. Besides, I joining discussion with our community for Hari Raya celebration at Jabil. Then I was also involved in few programs such as Jabil's 30th anniversary, HW Code launching, and Quality Week. And the most valuable experience for me is designing clothes for HR team building. I offer my design skills and then they entrust me with the work. Also truly appreciate my effort. All in all, this exposure has trained my communication, coordination, and creative skill, while also allowing me to cross-functional collaboration contribution. Is contribution to the company. So, what is my contribution to Jabil as an HR compensation and benefit intern? First, benefit administration. I ensure accurate processing of benefit like MVIS cancellation and approvals, helping maintaining organized and error-free records. Second, data management. I support HR operation by maintaining employee records, verifying offer letters, and ensuring cross-platform data accuracy. Policy and compliance. I contribute to reviewing compensation policies and ensuring adherence to labor laws, helping Jabil maintain legal and ethical standards. Guys, employee engagement. I played a key role in employee communication, handling queries, conducting briefings, coordinating surveys, and participating in HR events. And the last one is creativity and cross-functional collaboration, which is I apply my design skill in HR team building initiative, demonstrating initiative, and enhancing workplace culture. My work has strengthened HR process, improved data accuracy, ensure compliance, enhance employee experience, and brought creativity to HR initiative. I hope I bring a valuable contribution to the Jabil app. Here are some relevant and clear suggestions for improving HR management and operation at Jabil based on my research. First, optimize employee benefit communication, which is improve awareness and guidance on programs like ESPP and MVIS to ensure employees fully understand and utilize their benefits. This is because MVIS especially are offered for all categories as long as they have vehicle, but some of them are not well known about MVIS. Second, strengthen compliance monitoring. Implement automation check for policy adherence, ensuring compensation practice align with labor law. For example, segregation of duties, which is SOD. This means making sure no one person has too much control over a process. If an HR member has permission to both approve and process leave payment, that could lead to mistake or misuse. To prevent this, Jabil use automated system that will flag such situation and alert the compliance team. This helps the company stay transparent, follow policies, and build trust in its internal processes. There are some challenges of task execution. First challenge is navigating complex benefit system. What solution I do is I ensure accurate processing of MV's cancellation and approval, which likely require learning internal system quickly and double checking details to avoid costly errors. My attention to detail help maintain clean, reliable records. Second challenge is managing large volume employee data. So my solution is by verifying offer letters and maintaining cross-platform data accuracy. I demonstrate strong organizational skills and a commitment to data integrity. This action includes as a critical in HR operation. Next is understanding and applying labor law. So, the solution is I contribute to reviewing compensation policies and ensure compliance with legal standards. This shows my ability to grasp complex regulation and apply them responsibility. Then, engaging employees at access level. So, my solution, handling queries, conducting briefing, and coordinating service require clear communication and empathy. I build trust and help foster a positive employee experience. The last one is balancing creativity with professionalism. So, my solution is I use my 2 cent designs here to support HR team building initiative, showing initiative, and adding a fresh, engaging touch to internet events and aligning with Jabil's culture. Interning at Jabil Penang offers a rich and rewarding experience that goes beyond just completing tasks. Here are some value-added benefits that gained during my industrial training. First, real-world HR exposure. I work hands-on with compensation, benefits, compliance, and employee engagement. It's giving me practical knowledge that textbook can't teach. Second, professional skill development. From data accuracy to policy, review, and communication. I sharpen key skills like attention to detail, problem solving, and cross-functional collaboration. Next, confidence and independence. Handling responsibilities like verifying offer letters or coordinating service build confidence in my ability to manage real HR operation. And workplace culture insight. I experience how a global company like Jabil fosters teamwork, innovation, and continuous improvement, and it's valuable insight for me to cater for a future career. Tight networking and mentorship. I lightly connected with professionals across departments, gaining guidance, feedback, and inspiration from experienced mentors. Last one is creative contribution. My design skill add a unique touch to HR initiative, showing that creativity has a place even in a structured corporate environment.